Hi guys, I had to show you our huge stash of olive oil. So you saw that we went out picking olives and we did all these things and we videoed the frontoio down below. And yesterday or the day before, I hired somebody to go pick up the kitchen from the boys over in Baia Carpino and Scalea. And I have to say something really amazing about these people here. They love to work, and when you give them work, they are so grateful. So yesterday, a bunch of lemons showed up. You can see some of them there. And another big thing of olive oil showed up. So we have, a gallon and then a couple more liters, and then more in this little olive oil server. And I was super happy because I found these olive oil servers at the market in Scalea. I was looking for something that was going to make it easy because I was pouring from this giant jug here. This is Judy's olive oil, but I added some of Salvatore's into it. It has to settle a little bit more. Hers had settled out nicely, so I have this one full. By the time we need more, this one will be settled and everything will be good. But I have to tell you, the olive oil here is absolutely amazing. So in addition to this, we have these little oranges that I bought from the fruit guy. And I'll show you some of those. I'm going to go out and about and show you some of the wonderful things. Mother Nature really did bless this area, and the food here and the nutrition here is absolutely top-notch. So anyway, I wanted to show you our little fun gifts. And when somebody gives you a gift here, 9 times out of 10, it's something fruit, vegetable, or olive related, which I just love. So anyway, enjoy. Hurry over here because we got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of olive oil, and I need to cook. So there we are. Enjoy your day. Can't wait to see you guys.